everyone, I'm Jenita Jahangir from Bangladesh. I'm the new course instructor of your course. I will share my information with you so that you can know how your instructor is. So let's start with my professional and personal life. From my childhood, I never think of studying mathematics. But when I started studying mathematics, I found it a very interesting subject. I have completed my BS in Mathematics and MS in Applied Mathematics from one of the leading universities of Bangladesh, University of Dhaka. After my graduation, I have started my work as a lecturer in American International University, Bangladesh in 2017. Here I teach the undergraduate engineering students the basic mathematics courses. I teach them differential calculus, coordinate geometry, integral calculus, complex variables, Z transformations, matrices, Fourier analysis, numerical methods, and I also teach them computational statistics and probability. During my job, I have done some research. In 2019, I have published 2 research papers in different national and international journals. One of my paper is about fluid flow, which had been published in Journal of Multidisciplinary Engineering, Science and Technology journal. And another topic of my research is differential forms, which had been published in Dhaka University Science Journal. In my education life, I have received some awards. In 2017, I have awarded National Science and Technology Fellowship Scholarship from Bangladesh government. I also awarded one of the most prestigious scholarship for my BS in Mathematics result from University of Dhaka. And this year I get full tuition waiver from Texas Tech University with graduate teaching assistantship. I am proficient with Microsoft Office and I also know some programming language. I am experienced in MATLAB, LaTeX, Mathematica, and Fortran programming language. I can speak in Bangla, English, and Spanish. Bangla is my mother tongue, and you know English is the international language. And for my interest, I learned Spanish. I learned Spanish and completed basic A2 level from Institute of Modern Language, University of Dhaka. In my free time, I love to do gardening and I love to read novels and I like to browse internet. In my house, there is a corner for gardening, so I everyday try to water my plants and improve my view of my house. And I have lots of collection of novels in my house. If you want, you can visit it anytime. And this is my family. In my family, I have my mom, my dad, and my husband. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much.